Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the vending channel. Today we're going to show you how to make your Rhino vending mechanism free spin. This means we'll be able to vend gumballs and candy without the use of a coin. See here, got your Rhino vending mechanism. First thing we're going to do is remove the center screw. Remove that, as well as the sprocket and the washer. Now the next thing we need to do is get this handle out. All you gotta do, take the back end of your screwdriver, give it one pop. Comes right out. Next thing you need to do, take off the coin detector. Just take off this screw right here. Take all three of those parts that are connected to it, throw them away. You don't need them. Then you take out your three securing screws. This is going to loosen up the back plate. Just set those off to the side. Then you lift it off, and you're going to see these two parts should just fall right out. They're located right up here. It's a spring and your other part of the coin detector. You can throw those out as well. And all you need to do is line up your plate, put your back plate back on, put your three securing screws back in, and you take your handle flat side up, put it into the front of the mechanism, put on your washer, put on your sprocket, and put back on your center screw. Once that's on, you have yourself a free spin mechanism. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy vending.